Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking a deep dive into a pair of headphones that have absolutely blown up my feed recently, the Baseus Inspire XH1 noise-canceling headphones. If you've been following the audio world, you know Baseus has been aggressively challenging the established heavy hitters, and the Inspire XH1s are their biggest swing yet. They're coming out right now with a truly high-end feature set, including Adaptive ANC, the best high-res wireless codec available, and battery life bordering on absurd. If you've been waiting for a deal to jump into premium noise cancellation, this is it. These headphones usually sit at a competitive price, but with the current Black Friday promotion running over on Amazon, you can grab the Inspire XH1s for a substantial discount. The official product link is available right here. Check out that cosmic black. It looks premium. That deal drops the price into mid-range territory for a headphone that delivers high-end features like adaptive active noise cancellation up to a massive 48 decibels of reduction, an unbelievable 100-hour playtime, high-res wireless certification using the LDAC codec, Super Bass 3.0 tuning, and incredibly, a sound profile tuned by Bose. If you're hunting for the best value this season, stick with me. We're going to walk through every single feature, test the comfort, and talk about who these headphones are really for. Let's start with the physical experience. Holding the Inspire XH1s, the quality is immediately apparent. The build quality is excellent. No imperfections, no sharp edges. The finish is smooth, and a section near the hinge certainly feels like an alloy, giving the headphone a fantastic, sturdy feel. It passes the twist and bend test beautifully. Weight is crucial for long listening periods. These come in at 275 grams, which is a great lightweight figure for a full-featured over-ear headphone. I've tested many premium models over 300 grams. The Inspire XH1s don't feel heavy at all, especially when they're sitting on your head. The comfort is a huge part of that. Baseus calls the padding on these ear cups Velvetike Cloud Comfort, and it's genuinely soft and plush. They give a fantastic seal over your ears for passive noise cancellation. I don't get any pain or uncomfortable pressure, even after wearing them for long, extended periods. The top headband has resilient, high-density memory foam, preventing pressure points. Major positive. The design is practical, too. They lie flat, fold inwards, and are clearly labeled left and right. One of my favorite design choices is the commitment to physical, tactile buttons. On one cup, we have the answer call button and a dedicated ANC button. No accidental tabs, no misreads. On the other side, we have volume controls and a dedicated play stop button. Reliable, functional, and well thought out. Now let's talk sound. The Inspire XH1s are high-res audio certified, achieved wirelessly using the LDAC codec. If you're unaware, LDAC achieves a bit rate of 990 kilobits per second. That's 3 times the amount of data compared to standard SBC, which means you get the detail back. You really do hear the difference, especially in the highs. The high frequencies come through detailed, crisp, and very nicely. It's not just about the bass. The clean highs and rich vocals prove the sound profile is much more balanced than you might think. But yes, the flagship feature here is Super Bass 3.0, and it is on by default. When I first put them on, I was immediately blown away by the bass levels. They really put out the bass. If you're a bass lover, you are not going to be disappointed. The angled drivers and optimized acoustic chambers focus on delivering deep, resonant bass. Personally, I found it a tad too powerful out of the box, but the important thing is that the capability for deep, powerful bass is absolutely there. For those who prefer a flatter sound, you'll want to go into the app and tone those lows down slightly using the equalizer. And the fact that everything is sound by Bose gives confidence in the acoustic tuning. Volume levels are also very good. If you like loud headphones, these won't disappoint. The overall design gives you excellent passive noise cancellation. When you hit that dedicated ANC button, you activate the advanced 4-layer hybrid ANC system. This system is constantly analyzing your surroundings an incredible 384,000 times per second. The reduction is up to a massive 48 decibels. In real-world testing, these are fantastic for flights, commutes, and blocking out office chatter. The Adaptive ANC mode in the app lets you set specific profiles, including wind noise reduction. Voice calls are handled by 5 microphones paired with an AI clear call system. I tested this by playing a track in the background of a noisy railway station. The AI-powered noise reduction can remove up to 75 decibels of background noise. The person on the other end literally could not hear the commotion. If you place a lot of voice calls while commuting or traveling, the mic noise cancellation is exceptional. Let's talk battery. With ANC off, the Baseus Inspire XH1s go for up to 100 hours of playback time. That's about a week of casual listening. With ANC on, battery life drops to a still excellent 65 hours. If you're using LDAC plus ANC, battery life is realistically around 48 to 50 hours. This is the trade-off. Higher quality audio reduces runtime. My pro tip, if you need maximum battery life, keep LDAC off. For charging, a 10-minute charge gives you around 12 hours of playback, which is fantastic. It uses USB Type-C and also includes a 3.5mm cable for wired listening. The companion app Bzias is simple and user-friendly. No login required. You get ANC mode controls like commuting, traveling, outdoor, indoor, and wind noise reduction. You get sound customization using the EQ and presets, including custom sliders for the Super Bass 3.0 adjustment. The app is also where you toggle high-res audio. One standout feature is sleep mode, where you can listen to calming ambient tracks like ocean waves or insects and set a timer so it shuts off automatically. So, who are the Inspire XH1s for? If you love bass, these will absolutely deliver. If you're a long-haul traveler or commuter, the 100-hour battery life, adaptive 48 dB ANC, and lasting comfort make them ideal. If you're an audio enthusiast on a budget, LDAC Hi-Res wireless support is a huge win. And if you take a lot of calls, the 5 mics with AI noise reduction are outstanding. All up, they're a complete package. Great design, excellent build quality, very good mic noise cancellation, top-tier adaptive ANC, and a sound profile that punches way above its price. Don't forget to check the link below for the current Black Friday promotion to get the best possible value. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button if this review helped you, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest audio tech. I'll see you in the next one.